How to disable system font in Encode. If you have been using the Encode application and wondering on how to disable the system fonts on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Encode application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap on to settings at the top right corner. Tap on it. Then here you can find the system font size. Now it is turned on. Now to turn it off, simply tap onto this button. Just like this. And now you can see you have simply disabled it. Now you can simply choose to add the font size according to your preference. Just like this. Now simply change it. And that's it. This is how you can disable system font in the Encode application. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.